Welcome to Network Black Box. It's a network black box threat hunting dashboard. It uses the TTP's analysis based on MITRE ATT&CK matrix to visualize the potential threat status progress of the attack toward the target. Clicking a purple box will show the detected attack attempts matching the technique. A total of 5,604 threat attacks from lapsus threat groups were detected and tracked during the last 6 months. Currently, it shows over 80% progress and seems very dangerous. The time series graph shows that the lapsus threat group made serious attempts during the last 11 days to achieve its goal. This displays attack attempts for the past 11 days. It shows that the lapsus threat group is trying to connect an internal host to the external C2 server. IP profiling function is used to trace the IP of the C2 server. The IP is from the Seychelles Island in the Indian Ocean, and it shows that countless various attacks were made during the past 10 days. There is no previous access history to Seychelles and has no relation with our system, which means lapsus threat group is using a proxy or malicious C2 server to control the internal system illegally. The attack status shows different attack attempts from lapsus threat group on this particular date as they attempted to install and execute a malware. An in-depth analysis is being performed using the detailed packet analysis by rebuilding the packet streams gathered via the full packet capture function from the network black box. The transaction statuses of all related sessions were analyzed instead of specific attack packets to confirm the overall attack context. The mimikatz file and the MD5 hash of the values were extracted from the packet stream to rebuild. The found hash information and file name are being used to confirm its status via third-party dynamic analysis solution integrated with the network black box. The file has been confirmed as a malware. It shows that the file has been continuously sent from an internal member's email address, even after May 14th. As shown on the screen, the malware file was attached as an email file. The evidence shows that the particular attacks were related to lapsus group and had fatal impact and severity to the organization.